Already got it. Got that dude. There we go. What's good, people? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, Game the Official. Hey, finally got that install video for y'all. I wasn't going to do a step-by-step, but I guess I will. Because not too many people have this intake right here. Most people either go with K&N or JOT. I decided to keep true to AFE. So I'm gonna put this onto the 5.7. Like, it's time to get rid of this. I told you, this is just a makeshift something that I made from my 5.7 combined with the 6.4 that is chaotic. Like, it's coming off right now. But I also got a new intake air temp sensor. Ordered a new sensor to go with this one because even though this one works, I broke it and I don't like it. I'm going to keep it still just in case something happens to this one. But it's better to have this one than that one in here. But yeah, I'm finna strap on the headband and put the GoPro on, and I'll do this real quick install for you all. And also, I uploaded the tune right before I started this video. So after I slap that on, we're gonna ride around for a bit and see exactly how this feels. And hopefully I can notice a good gain from it, man. I'm counting on it. But yo, if you like the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, the whole nine. Let me know what y'all think, man. I love the comments, I love the subscriptions. Share the video if you don't mind, and give it a thumbs up. Help me on that algorithm. But yeah, let's knock this out real quick. Let's get to work. All right, let's start with taking this out before I unbox that, which this should be easy. By the way, I did go back and let me take this off. I did go back and extend this wire, which I gotta put a wrap on this now, but I just taped it right here in both places. But let's undo this. There we go. Oh, if I hit my hand, I'm gonna be pissed. Let me do it from here, I guess. There you go. Come on. Man. And just pop this out. Because this wasn't in here correctly anyway. But I think I will have to reuse this grommet and also this grommet. So, let me get both these out. All right. Loosen that up, take this off. Out with the hole. Now, what's going to upset me is if the 6.4, which let me state this, the intake from anything other than a Durango from a 6.4 to a 5.7 will not fit any mismatch models. Or it might just be Durango specific, because I know the Durango has this AC rod right here that the Charger Scat Pack does not have, and I'm not sure about the Challenger, but I'm sure this Challenger doesn't have this either. But the Durango has this, which means you have to get a Durango 5.7 or 6.4 intake to go past this and sit here. The intakes are not interchangeable between models. So, new 6.4 air intake. There we go. Let's get it. It is a beautiful day outside, man. People over here cutting grass and whatnot. Okay, the big side goes here, yeah. And the low side goes on my throttle body. Let me set that down gently. This is the low side? Yeah, it's low side. Low side goes on the throttle body. Of course, you start from the bottom because you can't see the bottom. So put it in on the bottom first, then put it in on top. Easy. All my AFE showing. All right. So rubber grommets. Piece of shaved plastic I don't want in there. This thing looks nice. All right, so my rubber grommets right here. Right here. Ooh, what if this not in the same spot? They not in the same spot. Oh, crap. Oh, yes, they are. This and that. Okay. Ooh, that scared me a bit. There we go. So, got them grommets lined up. And I was supposed to have a clip right here, but I'm missing that clip, so this ain't staying right there. But this one. All right, got that in there. This is gonna be the problem, that right there. But that's what this groove is for. So, let me see. Yeah. It's almost together, folks. All right. Kind of take that out. Put that there. Put this over that. Let me finagle this in real quick while simultaneously trying to put this back into place. And keep that filter in there. All right, that's on. I gotta get this back right. All right, so imagine to get this box down off up in here. It's not a perfect fit, you know what I'm saying? Because it's one of the grommets that's off in here, which I can't get to. And I'm not finna pull this whole thing out again, but it's because of this line keep kind of propping it up, even though it does have this slit right there. That line keeps it a little, like a half an inch. It's just up, which means it's not sitting all the way on the grommet, which makes it do that. I got one in, and kind of got it secure. I gotta tighten it up some more right here, but I'm finna tighten it right here so it'll stop moving off this throttle body. And I'm gonna just connect my hoses and my intake temp sensor, or whatever sensor this is, and that should be it. All right, I got those as tight as I can get them. Oh, got a little carbon fiber touch on it. I see you. Next is this hose. Come on. There we go. Nothing else in this bag. I like the packaging on these things too, boy. AFE make they brand known. Gosh dang. That hose was a whole lot harder to get on here than it should be. One last piece. This is the broke one. This is the new one. Very easy to tell which is which. Yeah. Okay, finally managed to get that grommet and that lock to this map sensor in there. It was a tad bit difficult. Just need a little bit of, if you don't want to do this or take this off before you put that in, or after you put that in, because I didn't realize I needed to take this off or keep this off before I put that in. Use just a tad bit of WD-40, not a lot. Please, not a lot. Let's see how this goes. Be careful with this because I don't want to break another one of these. There we go. Lock it. Bam. Just that easy. Plug in that sensor. So that's good. Throttle body's good. Everything is sealed tight. Checking around it. That is it. Didn't need that. Everything else I used. Put everything back in the box. And we're gonna ride around for a second. But first I'm gonna give y'all a start up to see what this sounds like. See how she ride. I'll even put it in sport mode. See how it do. Jackson streets are god awful. Corvette nice. Oh. Man. This combination of intake and intake manifold is a win-win in my opinion. Let me do one more pull before I finalize this. And I'm getting on the highway. Oh, that was so smooth. Accelerates like nobody's business. Yep. Well worth my money. Yo, if you are thinking about doing this mod, go ahead and do it. But do it correctly. If you're gonna do the intake manifold, you gotta have the active runners. You got to. And you have to pair it with a good air intake. You have to. Yo, I'm happy. And this AFE intake was not cheap. It was a little shy of $500. Yeah. You're gonna spend some money for this mod, but it is well worth it. Now, I will be putting this on the dyno, because first and foremost, this AFE air intake said it'll give me 35. I don't even think this thing will give me 35, but I'm eager to see. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna completely knock it. Sounds absurd for an intake, but I'ma see. And I will get the results of the, well, it's gonna be in combination with the manifold. But if you're replacing your 6.4 manifold, or if you're replacing your 5.7 with a 6.4, you're gonna need an intake anyway. So this is gonna be an accurate video whenever I do my dyno test, because if you replace one, you gotta replace both. But yeah, thank you all for watching this far and for following this build. I'm having a lot of fun doing it, and I love making these videos for you all. If there is anything you want to know further that I did not cover, please let me know in the comments. Please like the video, subscribe, and share, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, man. I appreciate y'all watching. Stick with me, and we out.